बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। I welcome to all from Dar-e-Arqam school system. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I welcome you all from Dar-e-Arqam school system. Today we are going to start our maths lesson of class 3. Today we are going to start our lesson number 1 and the unit name is numbers. In this unit you have to study about identify and write even and odd numbers up to 99 within a given sequence. You have to read and write Roman numbers up to 20. Then you have to identify the place values of numbers up to 6 digits. You have to read and write the numbers up to 6 digits in numerals and in words. You have to compare two numbers using symbols. You have to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. You have to represent a given number on the number line. And you have to identify the value of a number from the number line. Now student, open your countdown book page number 2. Here is the topic even numbers and odd numbers. What is even numbers? Even numbers always end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 and they are exactly divided by 2. Now come toward the odd numbers. Odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 and they are not exactly divided by 2. Now here are some examples. Example number 1 is, here are some numbers 62, 84, 90, 10 and 76. As you see that the unit digits of these numbers are 2, 4, 0, 6 and all are called even numbers because the unit digits of these numbers are 2, 4, 0 and 6 and they are exactly divided by 2. So these numbers are called even numbers. Now look at the example number 2. There are some numbers 31, 45, 73 and 85. These are called odd numbers because the unit digits of these numbers are 1, 5 and 3 and these numbers are not exactly divided by 2. Now you have to circle the odd numbers. Look at these numbers carefully and then circle the odd numbers. As you know that odd numbers are the numbers in which the unit digits are not exactly divided by 2. So 41 is the odd number, 43 is the odd number, 45, 47 and 49. These are the odd numbers. You have to circle these digits. Now question number 4 is write even numbers from 30 to 45. Now you have to write the even numbers from 30 to 45. You have to write those numbers in which the unit digits are exactly divided by 2. So you have to write here 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42 and 44. As you see that the unit digits are exactly divided by 2, that's why they are called even numbers. Now come toward the Roman numbers. Students, Roman numbers are the numbers or numerals that are used the world over today, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 have a special name. They are called Arabic numerals. This is because they were invented in India and were passed on to Europe and other parts of the world by Arab traders several hundred years ago. The Arabs were good at maths. Before this, most people, especially in Europe, used numerals which looked completely different. These were the numerals invented by the Romans. Now question is that what are Roman numbers? The Roman used these 7 letters of the alphabet to represent the numbers. The Roman used the 7 alphabet like I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. In this class you have to deal with these 3 alphabets I, V and X. I stands for 1, V stands for 5 and X stands for 10. Now open your countdown book page number 4. When the Romans wrote 1 to 10 in their special symbols or Roman numbers, they did it like this. For 1 they wrote I, for 2 they wrote 2, for 3 they wrote triple I, for 4 they wrote I and V, and for 5 they wrote V, and then for 6 they wrote V and I, for 7 they wrote V double I, for 8 they wrote V triple I, and for 9 they wrote IX, and for 10 they wrote X. These are the Roman numbers. You have to practice these Roman numbers on your rough notebooks and also on your neat notebooks. Now students, on your countdown page number 5, here is an activity. Write the Roman numbers for the given Arabic numbers. Here are some Arabic numbers. You have to write the Roman numbers. Okay, and these Roman numbers are up to 20, 11 to 20. You have to fill this page by yourself. Okay, I hope students you have to understand the concept of Roman numbers and even in odd numbers. Inshallah, in our next lecture we have to study about the place value. Stay blessed, stay at your homes. Fi aman Allah.